Hello friends, welcome. Today we will understand the meaning of a word sophistry. It's a pretty important word because most people misunderstand the word sophistry with a word called sophisticated. Sophistry comes from sophisticated. But sophisticated is a very positive term. Sophistry is a negative term. When I say a person is very sophisticated, what do you mean by very sophisticated? Very dignified, very well-mannered, very well-dressed, very cultured, very refined, very polished, very pleasant, pleasing in dress, appearance, manners, behavior, and very pleasing personality. But sophistry is a misleading, deceiving, cheating, or insincere speech or behavior or argument. Sophistry comes from sophisticated. Sophisticated is very cultured and refined, but sophistry is very deceptive, misleading, cheating speech or behavior. How these two are related? We all got cheated by somebody or the other. What is the first prerequisite to get cheated? Trust. Only when you trust somebody you get cheated. If you don't trust, there is no question of getting cheated only. What type of people do we trust? I am a person, I am wearing very cheap clothes, I am looking very ordinary, I am looking like an unemployed person, my shoes are bad, my clothing is very cheap and off the shelf or something like that, my speech is a bit rude or rash or using certain types of bad words and all that, and in a public situation or in a social situation, I eat in a very clumsy way, I behave in a very clumsy way, will you be impressed with me? I come and tell you, hey, I am a close friend, childhood friend of American president. You give me this money, I will get that work done. I am a very close friend of so-and-so businessman. You do give this money to me, I will get this help done. Will you believe me? I am really a very close childhood friend of some great man. But if I am looking very ordinary, you will not believe me. I look very stylish, I wear nice clothes, I speak in a very cultured manner, and whatever I tell you believe. We trust a person who looks stylish. We trust a person who speaks in a very smooth, pleasant, appealing and sophisticated manner. So lot of people who want to cheat others, they behave in a very sophisticated manner. Doesn't mean that every sophisticated person is a cheat. But if you want to cheat, you have to behave in a very sophisticated manner. You have to talk and behave in a very pleasing, very convincing, very polite manner. So I speak in a very pleasing, polite, convincing, very decent manner, very appealing manner. But actually what I am telling you is misleading. What I am telling you is wrong. I am behaving in a very polished manner, or I am speaking in a very polished manner with the objective of cheating the opposite person. That type of speech or behavior is what is called sophistry. So please remember, sophisticated is a positive word, sophistry is a negative word. Almost in a similar meaning of sophistry, we can also take a word called declamation. So declamation is also very convincing, very logical sounding speech or communication, but which is actually misleading or intended towards cheating. So friends, I hope you understood. Thank you.